A car without an engine cannot move, but a car without a functioning brake system is far more dangerous. Therefore, we should be familiar with the parts which make up our brake system.
So many choices, so many variables. We know that you can maintain your own braking system, you can go and buy your own brake pads, but where do we begin? Well, Bertie is going to give us a bit of a step-by-step guide so you can take control and you can go and start the process yourself. And if you listen carefully, you could also score yourself a nice cash prize at the end of the insert. But first up, Bertie, what is the first step? We know that we can go and maintain our own braking system, certainly when it comes to replacing our brake pads. Where do we begin?
The first thing to remember, we're working on a safety critical system on the vehicle itself. And in my opinion, I want the best quality of brake pad on that vehicle to stop that vehicle safely. And also giving all the right information to the salesman so he can supply you the right pad for your vehicle. The biggest thing to remember is we manufacture friction material specifically for that application, for that vehicle. For instance, in this case, we've got a SUV brake pad that's a fairly large brake pad, but if you compare that to a new generation bucky brake pad, it's much smaller. So you need that additional friction material to stop that vehicle safely.
I know that you guys really do pride yourself in the science behind your friction material. Is quality standard across the board?
Yes, of course. From the smallest to the largest brake pad or any friction material that we do manufacture, it's very important to have the best quality materials that we utilize. And the R90 accreditation that's globally recognized is very important for any friction player. And all our products are clearly marked with the R90 marking and the direct number linked to that specific part number that ensures that it's safe to use on your vehicle.
To care for your brakes, don't ride on the brake continuously. Brake slowly and gently instead of hard at high speeds. And finally, get good quality brake products.
Thing to remember is always to buy the right brake pad for your vehicle application. Don't mix and match because the friction material might not be able to stop that vehicle in an emergency situation. So ensure that you fit the correct brake pad to your vehicle.
Ensuring that you're in control, not just behind the wheel, but throughout the entire process of keeping your car well maintained. Now, I really do hope that you have been listening carefully because you have the chance of winning 1,000 Rand in cash. What you've got to do is go to the Ferodo South Africa Facebook page, answer a very simple question relating to this insert, and you could be a winner. And of course, T's and C's apply. All the best of luck.